Hi everyone, it's Miss Lisa from USHM Library. As a lot of you know, I like to be outside more than inside. So today I'm going to show you how to do a lean-to. That's a survival shelter. So here are some of the parts that you need. First, you need some sticks, rocks, much longer branches, a big pile of leaves, and some smaller skinny sticks. So the next step is to take your long branches and put them into a V of a tree. So that's two branches like this that stick out of the tree. You balance them up at the top, and now you can see where I've already started building this structure. So the biggest, longest branches are going to go in the bottom, and then you're going to start taking your thinner branches, or your sticks like these, and you weave them into there. Right through the V's and all the other spots, because you're trying to get it to be all together like this. I'm going to put a couple of finishing touches on here. And later that will hold our leaves together so we have some protection from the rain or the wind. So I'm just weaving them together. That should be good. Let's go to the next step. As you can see, the next part is to put the leaves on top of your structure. That's supposed to keep out the wind and maybe even some rain. So, just take piles and put them on, just like this, and they get caught up in the branches. If you find that you have a lot of big holes, take some more of your skinny sticks and weave them in there, and they'll hold the leaves together for you. Just like this. Starting to look good, right? Okay everyone, here's our finished shelter. We even made a little pretend campfire, and we have a little battery operated light. That's our fire. Remember, don't play with real fire. There we go. Our fire is all ready to keep us warm. I had fun with you today, and if you like adventures, I just want to suggest a book, Hatchet by Gary Paulson. You can download this book by visiting shmlibrary.org, then going to Overdrive to download to your device. It's for 5th grade and up. It's about a story of a young man, 13 years old, who gets into an airplane crash, and he's the only survivor, and all he has is his wits and his hatchet. It's a great read. Give it a try. Alright. Miss you. See you in Discovery Grove soon.